Hello, my name is Hans van Dam. I'm Government Relations Manager at Nutreco. Well, I think specialty feed ingredients are underestimated often because they're small amounts, but they have a huge effect. Think about acidifiers or preservatives, vitamins, flavors, additives that could improve the sustainability or also healthy growth of animals. And imagine if you would just miss one of these feed additives, like an essential vitamin, you could imagine that the animals would have huge health problems. So big effects. And also our sustainability targets would not be met if we don't use these specialty feed ingredients. For me, FEFANA is a rich source of information about what's going on in Brussels and in the institutions. I also like to hear about what is happening locally in the member states, so how is legislation implemented in those member states. So we update each other on that type of information. We also work on proposals for better legislation, fit for purpose, so we make those proposals together as an association with all the members. And we have the networking events and the workshops, which are really good quality and where you can also meet with relevant stakeholders, with legislators. So it's all a very nice package for us as a company. I think FEFANA is really, it's a door, it's a bridge. Imagine the legislators in Brussels, the institutions and the sector, and they make the bridge. They can open doors to the Commission, to the European Parliament. They can also forward, let's say, the interest of the sector to them. And I think also that the institutions, the Commission, they like FEFANA's role. They're a respected partner to really get the relevant expertise on how things work in practice. And this is where FEFANA is very much respected for. And after all, we all want the same, which is better legislation. So I think FEFANA plays their role perfectly. Well, let me start with mentioning my appreciation for the legislation. It's consistent. It's a whole set of rules how we should act as an industry. So it's well thought of. But at the same time, I believe that lately we have too many rules, and it's also sometimes too detailed. So this leads to bureaucracy, and I believe it undermines Europe's competitiveness. So this is where we would call upon the Commission to simplify legislation, basically. On the other hand, we also need legislation that would help us innovate. Smart legislation that helps us to come to good innovations, but also to protect the IP so that we can recover the investments that we made. And finally, I'd like to invite you all from the institutions to come and visit us in our feed plant on the farm. You can see how we do business, our entrepreneurial spirit. You can sense this, you can discuss items with us, so feel free and be welcome. Our company has specialty feed ingredients on the market, of course, for different purposes, different animal species. We offer them alone or in premixtures together with other ingredients. We also have our nutritional models, where we combine a nutritional expertise with knowledge on animal physiology. These are kind of digital twins that we can use to mimic the animals on a specific farm. So then we can optimize the feed for those animals to optimize both performance and economic result, but also environmental footprint. Well, I think I've been in almost all FEFANA's internal working groups, so I have a bit of experience there, but I appreciate a lot the collaboration with the other members. Many people contribute, many people participate in those discussions, which is very good. We need each other to come to the best result. And actually this helps us to articulate our needs to the Commission, to the Parliament, and this is also being appreciated by them. So yes, I think these working groups are an essential part of FEFANA's functioning.